Hi friends, welcome to AKILA'S Science World. Today, let's explore the amazing plant cell, the tiny factory of plants. A plant cell is the basic unit of life in plants. It is eukaryotic, meaning it has a nucleus and other membrane-bound organelles. Plant cells are unique because they have structures for photosynthesis and rigidity, which animal cells don't have. Let's see the part of a plant cell and their functions. The first one, cell wall. It's a rigid outer layer made up of cellulose. It provides shape, support and protection. Second one, cell membrane. It locates just inside the cell wall, control entry and exit of substances. Third one, cytoplasm. It is a jelly-like substance that holds organelles in place. Fourth one, nucleus. Nucleus is the controlling center of the cell. It contains DNA, regulates growth, reproduction and activities. Fifth one, chloroplast. It is a green organelle with chlorophyll. It performs photosynthesis. It converting sunlight into food. Sixth one, mitochondria. It is known as the powerhouse of the cell. It produces energy for the cell. Seventh one, vacuole. It's a large central sac filled with water, minerals and waste. It maintains turgor pressure to keep the plant firm. Eighth one, endoplasmic reticulum. It has two types of endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum that has ribosomes makes protein. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum make fats and oils. Ninth one, ribosomes. It is a tiny structures that produce proteins, found free in cytoplasm or on rough endoplasmic reticulum. 10th one,
golgiapparatus.
It is known as post office of the cell. It packages and transports protein and fat to where they are needed. Together, all these parts make the plant cell a green, self-sufficient factory of a life. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.